Hello everybody and welcome back to Krueger Family Farms. Today, right now, currently, I'm in the John Deere 317 skid loader with the snow blower on trying to clear some snow. I'll let you guys go so I can get into the video. I'll talk as I go. Let me see if I can pull the old-fashioned squeegee trick I had a couple years ago where, let me see if that works. If I can do it from in the cab here, that'd make life a lot simpler and nicer for me. Obviously I can't, so it means, hold on, I'm gonna have to stop here quick. I'm gonna have to stop and squeegee the windshield because I can't see blowing. And blowing snow, I gotta be able to see the edge of the driveway. Which if I can't see that, that's when crap goes bad and I go in the ditch and I get stuck in. Currently, I don't got anybody around that can pull me out. My dad's in Fargo with his pickup. My grandpa's at work. I really don't want my mom trying to pull me out, because it's never hurt to pull somebody out. It's either me or my dad. My dad will usually have me get in the skid and he'll pull me out. Throttle running wide open. I had the bucket on earlier, but I switched over to the blower because right now I'm just trying to literally clear all the power and move everything. You're asking why do we not have a windshield wiper on the skid here? It's because the wiper motor went out on us and we haven't got one in yet. It actually went out quite a few years back and just haven't replaced it. Yeah, I'm unhooking the blower. I got a fitting leaking. I got a hydraulic fitting leaking on it, so I got to ditch this, throw the bucket back up real fast. I'll set it up by the shop so my dad and I can look at it later. Not right now though. I don't got time. I gotta get slow done. I got crap to do. Bigger, better, more important crap. Oh boy. Yeah, thank you. Does that? Yep, I got a hydraulic line leaking on me, and I can't afford that. Can't afford to have that happening. And then here's the first one. The second one should be easy too, I think. Maybe not. Then here's the second one. They're pretty easy. Like, nice thing about unhooking them is I don't have to go all the way out of the skid to do it. Other than there's one part I do have to get all the way out of the skid to do. Make sure the fan propeller's like that, because if we leave the blade facing the bottom, it likes to freeze up on us. And if there's one thing that makes me and my dad more mad than having to get out with a sledgehammer and beat on the... Wish I would have noticed that sooner. I mean, at least... I'll say this, at least I noticed it when I did. Because most people don't notice that type of crap until it's too late. I just saw a small leak coming out of it, and I'm like, yeah, I'm hooking that quick. Locking her down quick and let's get going. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, tally ho! Let the old deer steer bucking go. If any of you have been wondering, is there a girlfriend for me on the channel to show off? No, there's not. There's one girl that asked me out there that I ended up rejecting. I'm not going to name their name, because that'd be not a nice thing to do. Try to be a nicer person than that. Sister's also kind of scary. I'll put it that way. Her family scares me. And is there any girl on the horizon for me? One, Krueger Family Farms, or YouTube channel over. Is there anyone on the horizon for me? No, there is not. Currently. Anyone. Am I currently looking for a lady friend? Absolutely not. I mean, if any of you want to date the one and only Hunter Krueger, or HK as my friends call me, Krueger Family Farms, I mean, you can put it down in the comment section, or I can even put my number down in the bio of this thingamajigger. touch with me. One restriction I do have though is you text before you call. I don't answer my phone if I get a call and it's somebody I don't know. Text me, say your name, and say you're looking for an application, and I'll know what you mean. Are we hiring? Absolutely not. Not right now, at least. I don't plan on hiring anybody, or does my dad or grandpa. The amount of ground we have, it quite literally would make 0 sense for us to hire anyone. I think it kind of makes 0 sense for me to get a girlfriend too, but I mean, if any of you want to potentially date the one and only Hunter Krueger or HK Krueger Family Farms, the owner of the YouTube channel, let me know. I might post my number down in the comments. But yeah, I mean, if any of you are interested, I mean, I do got a couple. I'm not gonna say it. I'll tell people one-on-one if there's any. Will I post them to my channel if I get a girlfriend? Chances are, no. I do not plan on that. I do not plan on ever doing that. And as you can see, I can't see very far ahead of me right now because the weather today is very unpleasant, I guess, I might say, I guess. Yeah, it's an unpleasant day. Weather's crappy, it's cold. The cab of the skid loader is so freaking nice. I just want to be able to see where I go far enough here to show you how much belt. I'm trying to plow a little bit of snow right now. Holy crap. Just don't ever do what I'm doing because what I do with a skid steer is not what many other people will actually do. I personally am gutsy enough to drive up onto the snow piles and push snow off of them or up onto them. Not many people actually are that gutsy like I am, my dad is. Pushing snow though, I'm almost just wasting time right now. I'm trying to get a little bit of a video for you guys. I'll show you one of the snow piles I got up here in the yard. It's not a small one. I'll probably do more snow moving tomorrow after the wind dies. Because I just, right now, actually the reason I'm trying to do it today is it's a lot warmer than it's going to be the rest of the week. Tomorrow it's supposed to be like 40 below wind chill, and I really don't want to push snow at 40 below wind chill. Even having the skid steer sitting in the heat and shop to get into. go forward, and I pretty much couldn't back up. Like, I ended up having to back up as far as I could, like a spot of grass, and go for it.